In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix missing font warnings in Canva. If you've ever opened a design and seen a notice that a font is missing, even though you know it's part of your brand kit or has worked before, there's a good chance the issue is just a simple loading glitch. Fonts, like images, are cached by your browser or app to make things load faster. When that cache gets out of sync, Canva can't read the font files correctly, and you get that annoying warning. The good news is, you can usually fix it in just a few minutes. Start with the easiest reset. Refresh the Canva page. Give the tab a quick reload and wait a moment. This forces the page to request fresh assets, and in many cases, the fonts snap back into place. If you're in the middle of a project, make sure your work is saved first so you don't lose any recent changes. If the warning sticks around, clear your browser cache. I'll show you how in Google Chrome. Open Chrome, then click the three dots in the top right corner. Choose Settings, and on the left, select Privacy and Security. Now click Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time so you fully clear the old font files. Under the options, check only cached images and files. You don't need to clear your browsing history or passwords for this fix, and leaving those unchecked helps you avoid unnecessary signouts. When you're ready, click Clear Data. Once that's done, close your browser completely so Chrome can shut down any background processes. Reopen Chrome, head back to Canva, and open your design again. It may take a few extra seconds the first time as the fonts re-download. With a clean cache, Canva should now load the correct fonts and remove the warning. If you're still seeing issues, try switching to a different browser or updating the one you're using. Chrome and Firefox tend to work very reliably with Canva, and keeping your browser up to date ensures it supports the latest font loading standards. If you use the Canva desktop or mobile app, check for updates there as well. An outdated app can cause similar font problems. That's it. A quick refresh, a clean cache, and, if needed, a browser or app update will resolve most missing font warnings. Give these steps a try, and you should be back to designing with your full font library in no time.